It's time for Terminology Tuesday. Hey there guys, it's Andi the Agent, and today we're talking HOA fees. That's right, Homeowners Association Fees. If the home you're eyeing is in a community with an HOA, you'll be paying these fees usually monthly or yearly. So why should you care? Well, HOA fees fund the amenities and services that make the community living a bit more luxurious. Think swimming pools, gyms, manicured common areas, so on and so forth. They can also cover some utilities and maintenance such as trash removal or lawn care for shared spaces. Sounds great, right? But keep in mind, these fees add to your monthly expenses and they can change over time. Plus, the pricier HOA fee could impact how much home you can afford, as lenders do factor them into your debt to income ratio. It is crucial to not only know how much the fees are, but also what you're getting in return. Are the amenities worth it? Is the community well maintained? Make sure you get a full picture before you commit to writing an offer on that property. Any questions about HOA fees or other real estate matters? Reach out to me. Your path to homeownership should be as smooth as possible, and I'm always here to help.